how to create multiple sources of income from one skill, just one skill, or from one career. That thing that you are good at, that thing, that particular thing, that talent, that potential that you are doing, that craft that you are doing, how to create multiple sources of income just from it. Yeah. Hello everyone, welcome to another video. If you are just seeing this video for the first time, you're welcome. My name is Abike Mary and I create videos on AI tech. I create videos on money relationship. In a nutshell, I create videos how to become a better person, how to become successful, and share my own journey experience as well. So if you have not subscribed, do it to subscribe now and turn on the notification bell so that when I post new amazing videos. And to my returning audience, thank you for always supporting me. Alright, so let us dive in. So that particular skill that you have, that one skill, yes. Whether you are a software engineer, you are a hairstylist, whether you're a doctor, you're a nurse, whether you're a teacher, whether you're a tech guru, tech system pro, yes, that particular skill, that career, that profession, that talent, even if you're a singer, even if you're a writer, a content creator, that particular thing that you are good at, that you are doing to earn money right now. There are other ways whereby you can use it to make more money, other multiple sources of ways whereby you can, make more massive money. Yeah, of course, there are so many ways whereby you can make so much money out of it. Yeah. All right, without further ado, let us get started. So the number one way that I can make money out of that skill, that particular career is consultation. Yeah, consultation. That's the number one method. Consultation. You are so good at it that even if they wake you up from sleep, you need to talk and talk and talk about it non-stop. You just get energy from it, you get passionate about it. That's career, that job that you're doing. Even if you don't like that job in that company, you can still monetize it, of course. Why not? You can. Even if they are frustrating you, even if you are planning to resign, yeah, or you don't want to cast yourself, you can still monetize it. Or perhaps you want to have another source of income side also, you can include consultation. Yes, consult people. Companies can reach out to you, brands can reach out to you, people, individuals can reach out to you for advice. Instead of giving that advice for free, monetizing, put money on it. Because you did not get that knowledge for free. Yes, they say either you work for that knowledge or you paid for that knowledge as well. So why not? You can also monetize it, consultation. Yes, if anybody needs an advice on that particular skill or that thing that you're doing, you can tell them, okay, for person to place a person is call is XYZ amount of money. To place 2 hours call, XYZ amount of money. If it's video consultation, you will tell them, you list your package, your consultation package is out. You list it. And you're saying you don't have money. That's another way to make more money. All right. So another way to make more money is to create digital products or courses around it. Yeah, digital products or courses around it. If you don't have the time to do consultation, that you are always the busy person or you are shy. Of course, you are the shy person, but if you are shy when it comes to making money, I'm saying sorry to you because you are leaving a lot of money on the table. You are shy when it comes to money. Like, what the heck? Anyways, let us leave that aside. Yeah, because I made a video on why you don't need to be shy and how to get rid of shyness. So let's put that aside. You can watch the video. The link to the video is in the description box below. So let's put it aside. So now, if you don't have the time for consultation, you don't have the energy every now and then to be receiving calls, to be talking of the energy, or you're shy, then create a digital product, create a course around it, create courses, yes, package it, product one, product two, no course one, course two, course three, create it. You can put it on Amazon, you can put it on Seller, you can publish it anywhere on online website. You can even promote it on your TikTok page, on your Instagram page, on your Facebook page. If you have YouTube channel, promote it. WhatsApp status, post it. You can even create groups for it that okay, come and buy this course. If you need knowledge on this, my skill on this aspect on this topic, okay, I'll compile the answers, useful resources into a product, into a course. So just buy it and you understand it. This can be in video format, it can be in written format, it can be in audio format, or it can be in image format, whichever format. I can do the four formats together. Yeah. So digital product is another way to make money. Don't leave money on the table. No, no, no. Digital product is another way. And one of the benefits of having digital products is that it is evergreen. It's evergreen. Yes, it is forever in existence. You keep earning money month after month, years after years. To keep generating income for you. Yes. While you're asleep, even like it will keep generating money for you. Yes, that's one of the benefits of creating income product. And it's even more effective than consultation. Consultation consultation, don't get me wrong, consultation is effective as well. But the difference between consultation and digital product is that consultation is spontaneous. Yes. If you not put in much efforts, consistent efforts for that consultation for people to patronize you, like the income you generate is not up to data products. Data product, you don't need much effort. Yeah, that's what I'm getting at. Consultation, you need much more effort to generate income. But when it comes to data products, you don't need much effort. You just create it once and you put it online. Yes. For anybody that sees it online, even if you don't do paid advert on it, anybody that visits that website, be it Amazon, any publishing platform, on your pages, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, anytime they visit your page and they see that product, they see that course, they will pay to patronize you. Yeah, that's the advantage, one of the advantage of data products. Yeah. So another way to make money from that one skill, from that one career, that knowledge that you have, that potential is coaching. Yeah, coach people. So if you are the type that you have the time and you are not shy, then you can coach people, organize trainings sections for them. Yes, it can be every Saturday, it can be every Tuesday, whichever. It can be in the evening. Organize, create a group, or it can be a channel whereby you'll be teaching them, okay, this is what to do. You'll be guiding them, giving them tips on how to go about it. You understand? So, and as well, you can create a community. Okay, for you to join this community, you have to pay XYZ amount of money. So, coaching section is another creative method to earn money just from that one skill. You know that all the methods that I've mentioned so far, they are not going beyond your career. They are not going beyond your skill. They are not going beyond your knowledge. They are not going beyond your talent. It's still within your skills, still within your career, your talents, your potential, what you know, still within your job, your work. So they are not deviating. No. I'm only telling you how we can make that your career. Yes, ways whereby you can make it to earn more money, to give you more income. Like, do not put all your eggs in one basket. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. There are many ways that leads to the entrance of the market. It's not just one way that leads to the entrance of the markets. And that's actually the problem. So this steps that I'm telling you, this method that I'm telling you, are ways whereby you can increase and increase your career, your skill to make more money for you. Yes, you don't need to compare yourself, you don't need to box yourself too much, you don't need to completely put yourself inside a corner, into a corner. No. At least open up. Like, open up. Yeah, open up. Just open up, just straight. Just open up. Eh, don't be a one way thinker. No. Diversify your thinking. Have a great mindset. Improve on your thinking. And that being said, for you to be a great thinker, for you to earn more money, you have to improve yourself, develop yourself. You have to read books. Yes, read books, listening to podcasts. Yes, listening to people's stories, attend seminars, attend webinars. Yes, have a positive mindset. It will shift and you know, it will shift your mindset. It will give your mindset a good orientation. Yes, it will boost your self-esteem. You won't have no self-esteem. You will not be doubting, can I actually do that? Can I actually do probation? Can I actually go to coaching? Can I actually predict that product? Who will to buy? Nobody will patronize. What will people say? What if my boss knows the fault is of work? What if it? You wicked customers? Exactly. Assuming that's why you need to build yourself, read books, listen to people's stories, continue to feed your mindset with positive things. Yes, it really helps a lot. Yes, it helps a lot. It helps the way you think, it helps the way you behave, your lifestyle, it helps the kind of opportunities that comes into your life. A lot of benefits. A lot and a lot of benefits. So all these ways that I'm mentioning that you can earn more money, they are not shooting your way for what you know. It's still within your knowledge, but just different ways to expand it. Yeah, different ways to earn more money with it. Of course. So another way to earn more money with that your career, with that your one skill is to become an influencer. Yes, become an influencer. Of course, you can help companies, businesses, brands, individuals to promote their products and services. Help them to promote their products, services. You can also join affiliates marketing networks. Yeah, you can join it. You get your own commission when people use your link to buy a product or services. You get your own commission. That's the meaning of affiliate marketing. So you can also register with some affiliates, you know, marketing groups, yeah, like Amazon, like Seller, like TikTok also does affiliates, yeah. Then yeah, there are lots. Yeah, there are lots of websites. Yeah, there are lots. So just make your research about it so you can become an influencer as well. Then another way to make money around it is to start a YouTube channel, start a podcast, anyone. You can create a community, whichever way. So just start your own YouTube channel, start your own podcast, start your own community, whichever. So there are so many ways whereby you can make money out of it. Alright, amazing people, thank you for watching up to all the moments to the end of this video. Thank you so much, I really appreciate it. So let me ask you now, what are your fears? Yeah, do you have any fear? Let me know in the section. Yeah, any fear that can limit you from not expanding your sources of income? Let us put that in the comment section. If you are not subscribed to my channel, don't forget to subscribe now. Turn on the notification bell so as to be notified whenever I post new amazing videos. Like this video and share this video. Yes, let others to benefit from this video. Yes, there are people like you that miss this video, so share it now. Share it. And if you have any topic, any question that you want me to make video about, let me know in the comment section as well. Alright, see you in my next video. Bye.